guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to disable Google Chrome browser new targeted ad system on your Windows PC. So for this guys, first you need to open your browser. After opening, go to three dots and from here open the settings. Okay, in the settings, go to privacy and security option like this, and here in the right panel scroll down. Here you can get the option add privacy. Just click and open it. From here you need to disable all three option: add topics, add suggested ads, add measurement. Just open first option and disable it. Okay, go back, open second option, disable it. Okay, open third option and disable it. That's it. From here you can easily able to disable. Now your Google Chrome browser will can't able to target your ads. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Actually this video I am making for my subscriber. Thank you very much.